The proxy-based approach to website translation is widely considered the most elegant way to launch and operate localized websites for global customers. Proxies efficiently leverage your origin website's code and content to instantly present localized experiences to your website's visitors. So how does this approach help you in your business? Proxies use smart automation to eliminate the countless operational complexities that usually come with website translation projects. This means you won't spend valuable hours, sometimes days, every week tracking changes, managing translation workflows, and publishing translated content. Proxies also eliminate effort for your IT team. They don't require technical customizations or ongoing development the way some CMSs and CMS connectors do. Since proxy-powered websites use your origin site's structured code, you don't have to build localized websites from scratch. This dramatically reduces the time it takes to translate and launch websites for global markets. The best solutions can localize and launch your entire site in about 30 days, giving your organization a competitive edge. The best proxy solutions can also detect translatable content in all formats, including text, multimedia, graphics, single-page applications, and even content loaded from third-party services and servers. Localizing this content provides a fully translated, immersive customer experience for international customers. This increases engagement and their time on site because it delivers the same excellent experience that's available on your origin site. Keep in mind that proxy solutions vary widely. Look for a fully turnkey proxy that makes it easy or even effortless to translate, operate, and optimize your multilingual websites.